I've designed schools before, but never done early years education. My name's Simon Devlin from Devlin Architects Ltd. I've been an architect for 12 years in the UK, Cambridgeshire, and I've been practicing for 5 years as my own practice. We deal with education, domestic, commercial projects, and we recently built Eaton Socon Preschool. We're a design-based practice that makes sure each project is unique to its site, to its context and to the user. Each brief is tested fully, and we want to make sure that each project in the future carries on that way, and we challenge architecture and the design of domestic, education, any setting. And if we can do that, then the end user loves it, brilliant. So Eaton Socon Preschool are a charitable organisation. They provide early years education for up to, or used to provide it for 50 children, and now they are able to provide it for 100. So the design is based on a courtyard arrangement, so all 3 large classrooms have outside access that is level threshold. We designed it so there are no south-facing windows or doors to gain heat and make it sure it's comfortable during every part of the year. When we were designing this building, we tested 15 different materials, and the one that came up best was Thermowood from Lunawood, because it is stable and doesn't warp and move as natural cladding might do over time. We also wanted its rich colour because we wanted to contrast against the black. We need it to be of a good life cycle as well as durable, and it needed to have that natural aesthetic that we wanted in this preschool environment. We kept that natural part within the courtyard arrangement, and then we used a black exterior on the outside to mimic the East Anglian region. We then brought in bold, fresh colours that the children could enjoy in this preschool setting. One of the key aspects is so that the children could engage with the building inside and out and enjoy the setting they are learning in. So we brought in little quirks like low-level windows, bright colours and chain downpipes. The Lunawood Thermowood cladding is a natural cladding that was worked on this building, has been wildly received in the architectural community with RIBA multiple awards. But the best thing for me has been the fact that the children, staff, parents and the community have really taken to this building. It has benefited the area already, and I can't wait to see what it's going to do in the future.